Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video we have two DIYs. Okay, so let's jump into the video so I can show you what they are. One is a decorative sign, and we're going to decorate two jars. So let's start out with this first one. Let me show you what we'll be using for this. Okay, a while back I saw these stickers. They normally come in black in a different font, and I found them in white in this font. So we're going to be using these. Then we will be using the ribbon that has the truck. I have white grosgrain ribbon and of course some jute, and this is what the bow looks like. I did two of these ahead of time. Okay. Then I went ahead and of course I did all of the painting ahead of time, guys, just to save us some time. And I found these in my stash. Like, they always remind me of filigree. So I spray painted, I should say I painted these in the acrylic white paint in white. Then I also colored two of the wood pieces. These flower pieces are new to the Dollar Tree, and they're with the wood cutouts. And these I painted in white also because I like this decor piece to be black and white. Now during the summertime they always come out with the hanging signs. I'm not really sure you can see that here. But I went ahead and I took apart the sign. They're attached by a ribbon, and I think it's in threes. I'm not sure, either threes or fours. So I took all of that apart and I attached it with the giant popsicle sticks in the back to make this sign, and I offset each one. Took it outside. No, I didn't take it outside, guys. I painted it by hand with the Nicole's acrylic paint that you can get at Walmart. So about 2 coats later and a couple of days later, when I remembered to do this craft, I made 2 of them because I thought that would look nice in my kitchen. I'm loving these white letters. Okay. Okay, so the first one says gather. Isn't that beautiful? I am just loving those white letters. Okay, so I wanted to spell and. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Gather and eat, and I couldn't pop out the white inside that D, but that's okay. It looks absolutely beautiful. So I wanted to spell out gather, and on this one I'm going to spell out eat, and we're going to do that in the center. I think this came out absolutely beautiful. Okay. Gather and eat. I thought that would be beautiful to hang in my kitchen. Like I said, I took the 4 boards, I offset them, and I used the giant popsicle sticks that Walmart has to give support to all of the boards, and then I went ahead and I glued the jute hanger in the back. I did that to both prior to the video. Okay, so this looks absolutely gorgeous. I am very happy with those stickers. So now what we have is we have 2 of those flowers. So what I'd like to do first is glue the filigree, what I call filigree. Okay, I'm going to glue that to the bottom. That'll be decorative on both sides. Let me see. No, we'll do that one this way. So we're going to put some hot glue. And then we're going to place that filigree right on top. And this is what we have so far. We're going to bring these a little bit lower. I'm just going to give that glue a little bit of time to dry. And I decided to go ahead and place a flower on the very top of this. Now, I have 2, like I said, of these ribbons that I made ahead of time. okay, and I'm going to put a pearl on the center of each one of these. And for this one, I'm going to go ahead and glue it right here, right under that flower. They don't have to be glued in the same place. Okay. And then I thought it would be nice to glue this one right here. Okay guys, so the sign says, this is beautiful. A beautiful gift. The hanger won't be seen, and this is what that looks like. Absolutely beautiful. So that says gather and eat, and this is going to hang in my kitchen. So this is DIY number 1, guys. Let's jump into number 2. Okay guys, one thing I forgot to tell you about these, I didn't go back and Mod Podge these, but I am. Okay, I don't have the matte finish and I didn't want to use the gloss finish. So I need to buy the matte finish, and then I'll go back and I'll seal these in. Make sure and do that if you try this at home, because you don't want the letters to lift. So now, Dollar Tree a while back carried these jars, and they do have the seal on them. Okay, so I thought it would be nice to give these to give one of my kids. So I have 2 buffalo check bows we're going to embellish with, but this would be a great idea to monogram. Okay, and it doesn't have to be a holiday item either. Sometimes I try to make things so that they're not holiday items, and then you can kind of use them all of the time. This is one of those gifts, and actually that gather is something that I would keep up. The only thing is that maybe I wouldn't have used the truck. But the truck is not really carrying anything on that ribbon, so even this is an item that I like to keep hanging on my wall a little bit longer than the actual holiday, so we're not always taking things down. Anyway, these jars I thought would be great to use. I'm going to monogram them, okay, but you can label them any way that you want. These are the initials that I'm using with the felt letters, okay. Now the actual tag, I got them at Michael's in the teacher section. Then with the buffalo check ribbon and some jute, I just made 2 little tiny bows just to embellish above that. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is going to be an easy craft, and I'm very happy about it. Okay, so we're going to wet these labels to get them nice and soft. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of that Mod Podge on there. You know, and I thought they were the same shape, but they're not. Not that it matters. I'm just letting you know that they're not. Okay. I'm not trying to go on the glass. See? So that's all I'm doing to that one. Okay, then this one. Let me go ahead and put... Okay. So now we're going to place this one. And like I said, you don't have to put the initials on there. You don't have to put anything on there. Or you can go ahead and handwrite it to whoever you're gifting it to, or just leave it blank. That part there is totally up to you. As well as the matte finish and gloss finish, that's totally up to you. I just didn't want it on the glass. Okay, and this is what we have for this one. So both of these guys right now are looking the same. We have the monogram, then we have them with the tag. You don't need the initials, you can just leave them with the tag. And if you do like the initials, this is a nice gift, or just, for yourself. Now I'm going to take these cute little buffalo check. Like I said, I always like to add thread through some jute twine. I think it gives it a nice little rustic look. So I'm going to glue that right on top of the initials. this is what the second one looks like. I think these are beautiful, very simple, but very rustic and very beautiful. Again, this is what that gather and eat looks like. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Everything I used to create this craft is down in the description box below. I hope that you liked the video. Click like, share, and comment. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Always welcome subscribers. And click the notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I'll see you in the next one.